Hey guys, welcome to Delf Stack, and this is how to fix if Chrome auto close. So guys, if you have a problem where your Chrome auto closes, what you could try to do is you could just simply select the three dots on the top right corner of the screen, and now over here you could just simply go through the settings. Now guys, here on the settings tab, you could just simply go ahead and use the search bar at the top and search for accelerate. Now from here you will only have one option: use graphics acceleration when available. So guys, when you have this turned on, turning this off will most likely fix the issue, and you can just simply relaunch the Chrome to apply the changes. Now if you still have any problems, what you could try to do as well is just simply close other application that you are not using. As you can see, mine, I have a multiple application open up, so just simply go ahead and close them, and this can fix the issue. And you have the hidden icons as well, and make sure to right click on them, and after that just simply close each program so you won't have any issue. Another option that you can have is do the Chrome into incognito. So you can do this by going to the three dots over here, and you will have a new incognito tab. So browsing in the incognito mostly can fix your issue. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.